So I'm in the apartment already. What's the story? I wanted to book the hotel, but I found out that for the apartment in Krakow, if you book through booking.com, for the huge apartment you're gonna pay much more less than the hotel. So just not to overpay. I'm in the center, between the old town and Kazimierz. Kazimierz is the Jewish district, where all the nightlife is going on, restaurants and stuff like that. Perfect spot. Let's say maybe the street doesn't really look fancy or something, but it's just like 1 minute walking from like the old town, so it doesn't really matter. If you want, I will show you, because if you want to book this apartment, it's huge. I will give you the link to the booking.com, and by now I think it's okay. For the price, I will tell you. 2 nights for 2 people, I paid 540 zlotys, which is, let's say, for Krakow, for this huge apartment, decent price. Obviously you can have more people here because it's just huge. So even if you are traveling like 4 people, I don't know if you have to pay more or not, but I strongly recommend you looking at the like private apartments rather than hotels, because hotel you just have 1 tiny room, 1 bathroom, and that's it. And here you can, if you don't want to eat out, you can cook your stuff, you can make yourself the coffee. To be honest, always when I travel, I do this. I rent these apartments through Trivago or booking.com, because you feel more like relaxed, not like hotel, you know, squeezed in this tiny place. This is the view from the window, which is, let's say, not amazing, but okay. Here is the bedroom. Okay, this is creepy. We don't need that. But you've got a very big bed, like very big, like double, yeah, let's say, with the very nice lamp. Okay. TV. Obviously, we don't need that. Like, I live without a TV for like, oh my God, like 11 or 12 years. So TV for me is not necessary, but I don't know, they always put the TV. Huge wardrobe, as you can see. Okay, so this is the main bedroom, okay? Also, this building is, I think, historical. I will try to find some information about it, about this building, when it was built. It's very high. This is how the flats were built in Poland back then. Quite hard to make it warm, you know. This is the living room, okay? Also huge, with sofas. I think in a sofa, like somebody can sleep on the sofa. Look at these lamps, very nice. And obviously the TV. Okay, sorry, I didn't show you the corridor. Okay. Hi, it's me. Here is a room. I don't know what exactly is here. Oh, it's cold here. Oh, okay, so 2 single beds. I don't think we're gonna be using that. Look at this. I don't think we're gonna be using that, and it's cold in here. I think I need to switch the heating on. But yeah, so if you come with more people, definitely somebody can sleep there. Okay, the rest of the flat is very warm. It's just a small room. Okay. Okay, here we've got the balcony, but pigeons are shitting there. Oh, this is Krakow, full of pigeons. You know, I hate pigeons. I love animals, but I hate pigeons. I think they're like rats on wings. Okay, what do we have here? Very nice kitchen. All the set. Oh, I love this little boy. I would be using that. Oh, morning coffee. I don't know. I prefer normal, but okay, we'll see. See, nice table, nice everything. And you can cook here. Let's see, you've got all this like things for cleaning. You've got the microwave, you've got the fridge. The bin, okay. Oh, dishwasher. Okay, I will not be opening each single one because there's no point. Okay, and the toilet. Sorry, this is the loo, the throne. Decent bathroom. Quite small but decent. And the bath. This is important. And the mirror. So that's me. Okay, that's all the room tour kind of thing. So if you don't travel on a budget, because obviously if you travel on the budget, well, 540 for 2 nights for 2 people, this is not on the budget. But if you want to spend a little bit money, not too much, because I'm telling you, Krakow is expensive. Krakow is expensive. So you want to be in the center, you don't want to spend like 1,200 zlotys on 2 nights, because I saw the hotels like that and I was like, fine, like for this price I can do better. You want to feel comfortable without all this hotel, you know, I'm not the biggest fan of this hotel feeling that you are just in this small tiny room and, you know, you are given the keys for this kind of apartments, and you can come back whatever time you want, you know, feel like home, let's say. And also I think it's better to like meet locals, because this is the private apartment, means that all the neighbors over here are Polish from Krakow, or like not from Krakow but living here, you know. I think you should definitely try. Go to booking.com, look for apartments, because obviously if you are on budget you would rather look for like hostels and stuff, which is in Krakow. I don't know the prices now, because last time when I slept in the hostel in Krakow was like ages ago. Also last time when I visited Krakow was like 1,000 years ago. So for sure it would be cheaper. But if you are thinking hotel or this, definitely check apartments. I will give you the link for this exact apartment down below. You can check it out. And what? I'm going to just chill a bit. No, I have to do shopping and buy something for the breakfast. Because I don't know if I'm like, you know, like I don't like going for the breakfast in the morning somewhere, because when I wake up I'm already hungry. I need to eat right after I wake up. No, maybe not right after, but let's say half an hour, 40 minutes after I wake up I'm hungry. And if I just wake up, take the shower, prepare myself, stuff like that, and 2 hours later I'm like starving. So this is why the apartments are good, because you can prepare your own breakfast over here. Perfect. Okay, so see you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.